How to enable private DNS on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on for a more secure and encrypted internet connection. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Connections. After that, tap More Connection Settings. At this point, tap Private DNS. From here, you'll see three options to choose from. Off disables private DNS completely, and your device uses your network's default DNS. Automatic enables encrypted DNS without you needing to enter anything manually, which is the easiest option for most people. Private DNS provider hostname lets you enter a specific DNS provider of your choice for more control over which service handles your DNS requests. Following this, if you select Private DNS provider hostname, tap the field and type in the hostname of your preferred provider. For example, Cloudflare uses 1.1.1.1 and Google uses dns.google. After that, tap Save to confirm, and your device will immediately start routing DNS requests through that encrypted provider. Finally, if you ever run into connection issues after enabling it, switching back to automatic or off from the same page will restore your normal connection straight away. That's how you enable private DNS on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!